How to make organic wasp spray. Wasps are at the least a nuisance. At worst, for people who are allergic, wasps present a dire problem. It's a problem that can be compounded by using sprays that you don't feel are environmentally safe for you or your kids, not to mention the expense. Oftentimes during wasp season, local stores will sell out of wasp spray just when you need it the most. The good news is that you can get rid of wasps with an inexpensive organic wasp spray that will always be on hand when you need it the most. Things you'll need: gardening spray bottle, peppermint extract, liquid detergent, hot sauce, cayenne or curry, citrus oil, orange or lemon, water. Purchase a garden spray bottle found in the gardening section of your local hardware store. Don't skimp on the cost. A good spray bottle is essential to fighting wasps, as you will need a strong, steady stream to reach the nests in high corners such as eaves and overhangs. Take your spray bottle and fill it half full of regular tap water. Add several drops of hot sauce or a little curry or cayenne, anything with a bit of a kick to it, and then add approximately 1/4 cup of dishwashing detergent or any sort of liquid detergent you happen to have on hand. Add about a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract, and 1/4 teaspoon lemon or orange oil. Place the sprayer back on the bottle and shake vigorously. The oils should keep the suds to a minimum. Spray at the wasps' nests with the nozzle completely out. If you're afraid of the wasps or don't feel you have enough distance with your spray bottle, spray the nest down with a water hose first. Wait a few minutes for it to drip dry and then spray it with your homemade repellent. Wasps are very sensitive to spices and will leave the nest post-haste. Tips: warnings. Consider putting out a wasp trap whenever you want to dine outside with your family. An easy homemade one can be made with a 2-liter bottle. Simply push the bottle's neck down onto itself where it is outside in. Smear a bit of jam around the inside of the neck and fill with water. Wasps will be attracted to the sugar and fall inside of the bottle and drown. This spray also works as a really good insect repellent on most flowers and will keep away any pesky dogs that happen to be digging around your plants.